Would end up costing airlines more than $120 million.
And all those icicles there indicates how cold it is around.
Oh boy, I'll tell you what, the icicles up in the Big Cottonwood Canyon area are definitely showing how cold it is. You know, the little rivers that fall. You can see a little steam coming as well. And folks, I'll tell you what, it is cold out there, and especially cold in the Uinta Basin. Even cold in Utah's Dixie. We found temperatures down into the teens yesterday, 20s today. Al Hale was kind enough to take this perspective. You see the palm trees here in the foreground. In the background, there is the Pine Valley Mountains. Very, very cold. Now, John Beck shows us how much snow is in the Duck Creek area up in the southern Utah mountains. Some of the trees have actually fallen across the road because of the heavy weight of the snow. And now take a look at this house. John Beck's Duck Creek is buried by a lot of snow. Outside right now, 11 in Logan, 18 in Ogden, 20 in Salt Lake City, Provo is 19, St. George is 36. Temperatures today, how about minus 20 in Duchesne? Minus 15 in Heber City, minus 21 in Ephraim. Afternoon highs in the 20s in Provo, 20s as well in Salt Lake City and Ogden, and it was minus 31 in Roosevelt. That is one of the coldest temperatures anywhere in the United States, including Alaska. My friends, the Uinta Basin is freezing. And when they get snow on the ground, it just stays cold. Now, there's a cold front sitting in Southern California, spreading some showers up towards southern Utah. Over towards the east coast, we have another storm system. It's moving up the coastline. Not a nor'easter, but it is providing some snow across the southern Maine area, a little bit of rain in New York City. There is also a clipper, we call it an Alberta clipper, bringing some light snow across Nebraska and parts of North Dakota. This cold air, this cold front will actually impact our weather on Tuesday because it's coming south, and that storm system I mentioned that is off of the Southern California coastline, the two will kind of merge together, but they're so split apart, there's not much that they're going to do for the state of Utah. Look at those temperatures around the region. And how impressive is this storm in California? Heavy rain in Los Angeles, Orange County, around Anaheim and Disneyland. But as the storm moves inland, the low pressure, here's the split jet stream. Here's a little front up here to the north. Here's the low pressure to the south. Let's put these maps into motion. One comes down. The other one starts to fall apart as it heads towards southern Utah, so a slight chance for a shower tomorrow in the south. And then this front here across the north, it's going to peter out as it works its way through northern Utah. So might see a few showers around on Tuesday here, but overall the trend for the next couple of days is really no change. The clouds will modify the cold temperatures in a few spots, but once again, very cold in the basin. That minus 22 in Roosevelt may very well be optimistic tonight, and there will be pockets of dense fog in the basin as well as in Castle Country. In the south, you'll notice again those showers around Cedar City, Beaver, down towards Cedar City, the Black Ridge, and also a slight chance in St. George with a high of 40. So we put a 40% chance in there for a shower. No big storms for a week. Now in the north, cold again with a little bit of cloud cover, not quite as brutal in a few places. Had a report from Randolph, it was minus 20 last night. But in Salt Lake City, only 12 overnight. Only. Chilly. 28 tomorrow, 30% chance on Tuesday, a 20% chance Wednesday. Really not much. A little fog towards the end of the week. And then warming up towards a week from Sunday, and I see a storm Monday. And from the 11th through the 15th of January, the new charts say stormy.
Okay. Really? Once again.
Right. Cold. Thank you, Dan.